Hi everyone, happy to demonstrate our Career Discovery Space Explorer, which is activated through object recognition. Once scanned, a dashboard will appear in augmented reality. First, let's look at the typical profile, which displays several badges users can collect by completing quizzes and challenges. Next, let's look at an example of a quiz. It's both interactive and fun, and you can compete not only with yourself, but also others globally. The leaderboard displays how you compare with others globally. Now, let's look at a challenge. Challenges is an opportunity to build your space competencies on a global level and get real-time feedback. You also have a leaderboard. Next, let's look at our exclusive video catalogue, which features current working professionals in the space industry explaining not only the purpose of their job, but also what it took to get there.
My job is very important because I help in the safety of the operation of a fleet of more than 60 satellites.
Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will support us in helping the next generation making smarter career choices. As they say, you can't be what you can't see.